It's so another important concept we have to discuss. So that is comparison between NBFM and WBFM. So what are the parameters? So based on that parameters, we have some comparisons between the narrowband frequency modulation and wideband frequency modulation. So before to see this topic, so already we seen that what is an NBFM and what is an WBFM. So based on that narrowband frequency modulation and wideband frequency modulations, so we have to choose some parameters. So based on that parameters, we have to compare between the two frequency modulated techniques. So that is NBFM and WBFM. So here what are the parameters we are considering, and what are the comparisons between this NBFM and WBFM. So we have to consider the first parameter is modulation index. So based on that modulation index, the narrowband frequency modulation having the less than unity. So the beta parameter or modulation index, that is beta, having the less than unity, so less than 1. And compared to WBFM, so the modulation index parameter beta greater than 1, that is having greater than 1. And the next parameter is maximum deviation. So the what is the del f value of this NBFM and WBFM is, so the maximum deviation in narrowband frequency modulation is 5 kilohertz, and compared to WBFM, so the maximum deviation are having 75 kilohertz. And next parameter is range of modulating frequency. So basically the narrowband frequency modulation having a low frequency signal, so that's why the frequency range of this NBFM is 20 Hz to 33 kilohertz. And similarly in WBFM, so the frequency range of this wideband frequency modulation is 20 Hz to 15 kilohertz. So this is the comparison based on the parameter is range of frequency. And one more important parameter and comparison of these two frequency modulated techniques. So the important parameter is bandwidth. So in narrowband frequency modulation, so it is same approximately as that of amplitude modulated bandwidth. So whatever the single tone frequency modulated signal, so it is nearly similar to the single tone amplitude modulated signal. So whatever we are having the bandwidth of amplitude modulated, so in this NBFM are also having the same bandwidth. So to transmit the signals or to transmit the frequency spectrum of NBFM, so it is similar to that of amplitude modulated bandwidth, that is 2FM. And in wideband frequency modulation, so it is a large and greater than that of NBFM. So compared to narrowband frequency modulated, so WBFM are having a more and greater bandwidth. So the bandwidth is equals to 2 into del f plus fm. And what are the applications of this NBFM and WBFM? So we are using the narrowband frequency modulation in FM mobile communications. So we are using the mobile communication like police wireless, ambulance, short range, ship to shore communication, etc. So these are the applications of a narrowband frequency modulation. And in wideband frequency modulation, so entertainment broadcasting. So basically we are already seen in real time, that is red FM like this. So that is entertainment broadcasting, red FM, red Mirchi FM. So these all are the entertainment broadcasting like that. So can be used for high quality music transmission. So this wideband frequency modulation we are using in entertainment broadcasting. So these are the important comparisons between the NBFM and WBFM. So we are considering these are the important parameters. So based on these parameters, we will compare the NBFM and WBFM. Thank you.